happy to show you how much I like playing with 7Vortex interface. I absolutely love the tool since I've discovered it for the visualization and the complex visualization it allows me to do. That I can zoom in and zoom out, but especially because I'm a very holistic thinker, I like to go from very high level situational awareness down to details and build out relationships from there. And it's very much something I bring to my clients as well. And at this point, I'm trying to work towards a mapping interface I want to use. And yes, I usually personally very much like to have it all in front of me. Because it makes me feel that I'm aware of my environment or the environment or context of what I'm working on. So this one gives you an idea. It's the emergent ecosystem of a company, and the blue I did there is for organizations and business companies. Then I've got everything in there. I've got the people in there. I've got process in there. So a second goal for me would be to sort of clean this up a little bit, get the process on a separate map. And I did already start doing this. I would need to know if I can copy this easily. Then obviously I can easily sort of take out the stuff I don't need. As you can see, I've got people, process, and entities in here. So that's a lot. But at least it allows me to structure thinking processes and those of the people I coach. And from here onwards, also the most important things is for me to be able to visualize the relationships. As you can see, this is nicely done here, between people, between entities, and in the environment. And overall, thanks to this, I can rapidly see that this is in absolute terms, despite not having mapped everything, but these are sort of, as I said, things which I need to take out. It's a quite healthy environment and ecosystem. There is no predation. Predation would be here, as you can see, would be red, orange. There's one yellow, and that's still sort of on the neutral. A couple of yellows, they are more neutral, and then amongst these there might be predation, but even there it's not clear yet. So this is a nice map. There's oxygen and possibility, and it allows to learn. So the one thing I might be able to show you from here is how then I can map out, and that's thanks to Hugo who showed me as well, map out a different layer, which I did because I did start my people universe or my talent universe as well at the same time, because those are people resources, and same thing obviously here it makes even more sense to map out relationships. Still very healthy and very interesting, a lot of cooperation going on, and color codes allow me obviously to sort of visualize them here. What did I say? What was this? So I didn't name them there. I had a reason for doing this, so unfortunately I didn't give them the title right away. But these are experts in the field. The others are sort of in the environment with different entities, but these are all experts, technical experts linked to the company and the process they use. And then I have resources I can activate in different environments, which again, I would need to color code. So this is sort of my first attempt, and I'm very happy about it. It's been, for me, a fantastic tool. I'm absolutely happy with the easy interface and what it allows me to do at this stage, that I know that behind it there is a graph database, and that there will be an incredible search function coming, which would allow contextualized searches is even more important. And if I think about the possibilities of putting information in there or behind it, it's absolutely fantastic that you can see that in the edit mode. I could link everything I wanted here as hyperlinks and comments and tags. So search capabilities are fantastic, and it sort of allows a layer of meaning with information behind it, which I find absolutely incredible. So just to finish off, because I don't want this to be too long, I'll quickly show you another one, one of my first ones too, which I really liked. And I call it's a network and value-based a health ecosystem in inverted commas. There is a grassroots movement, and they need to search for different ways of getting access to data or a blockchain solution. So this allows me to visualize, and as I said, I like the new curation mode where I can just sort of reorder, and I haven't done a lot of this, but as I just discovered, I can sort of, you know, look at this one way or another, and in here then I would be really able to declinate different layers between different stakeholders and their relationships. And the visualization just in this mode on its own is absolutely fantastic. And the possibilities, if I get down to more curation and I train a little bit with it, are absolutely fantastic. I already used this with somebody who actually tempted me by saying, I want an interactive Harry Potter map, and this is as dynamic as it gets. So that's my interactive Harry Potter map, and I have lots of fun deriving meaning out of the possibilities and what it allows me to at this stage and hopefully in future.